Hello and welcome. Today, well, over the next few videos we're going to attempt to bring this car back to life. Picked it up from Salvage, so we got it for a decent price. Needs a bumper, headlight. We are going to replace the wing. Going to replace the bonnet. Luckily we sourced the parts and they're the same colour, so that should be a bit straightforward. Something that ain't going to be straightforward is, I don't know how some people live like this. We're going to have to be tidying all this up. Apart from that, the car looks like it's in good condition. The only other thing against us, this is what we're dealing with weather-wise. So at the moment it's like 1 degree and we're outside. So let's just see how we get on. Bumper off, and these are a godsend. Makes taking all the parts off easier. Go and take the ones on the other side off. So we're going to remove the bumper, and then we'll have a little look, and then we'll remove the wings and come back again. So let's see how we get on. After about 20 minutes, half an hour battling, finally got the bumper off. Bumper's sitting here. What we've had to do, there's a couple of bolts just under the inner wing, so we've had to take the wheels off, put it on stands and stuff. You could take the whole arch off, but I didn't want to go that far. Next off is to take headlight and wing. So let's see how we get on with that now. When you think a job is straightforward and you end up having to take half the car apart to bloody get one wing off. What is it with these wings nowadays? Bloody joke. Still, let's hope it's going to be worth it in the end. Did have to take a few more bolts off and stuff. Going to take the headlight out, replace the headlight. Got a replacement wing here, luckily same colour as the vehicle, so no painting involved. But hopefully we'll get the front done today. It's absolutely freezing. Okay, so got the wing on. Had a little mark there, hopefully that's going to polish out. Still got to put all the inner wing in. Everything else is lining up, everything lines up nice. Same gaps. Going to put the bumper on and then fit the new bonnet, because there's a little crease here. Managed to get it for a good price, so going to do that. See how we get on. Alright, so wings on, bumper's pretty much on. Just got the sides to put on, but we've got an extra helping hand. So working on the bonnet quickly. Once that's back on the sides, we'll come back. Sit near enough back together. First test fit, and the bonnet ain't too bad actually. Lines up nicely. Just got to bolt the sides up now. Put these back in and stuff. Bolt it up. This side. And then the inner wings, wheels back on, down on the ground, and then give it a wash, detail the outside, and the inside's going to need doing. So this is the car back together. All we have to do, line up the bonnet a little bit better. That'll be done after. Car's off stands. Need to just get 1 or 2 clips to clip that back in. Apart from that, all looking good. So moving on from the last clip, we've actually moved the car now. The front's on, we're going to give it a quick little wash. Not a detail or anything at the moment, we're just going to give it a wash. Just to see what we've got and what we need to do, plan ahead for it. As you can see, front's on. Quite filthy, still need to actually, I'm going to go and get the clips in a minute, fit them back with the clips. Is the inside after being hoovered, not much difference, but at least there's no rubble and stones and kid sweets and everything. Right, so we've given it a quick wash, just a normal quick wash. It's got a few marks around it and stuff, which we're going to work on getting at on the next one, on the next video when we're detailing it. Really dull on the bumper, not so glossy on the bonnet. I don't know how it's coming out in the video. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video, and on the next one we'll be doing a full detail on the interior and exterior. Might split it into two videos, doing a full exterior detail and a full interior detail, but we'll see. So we'll find out on the next video what that's going to be then. Thanks for watching.